Dear students, how are you? Oh, okay. Fine. I am fine too. I am your English teacher. I take your class online because you know that this is the Corona period. Our school is closed, so I take your class online. I hope you all the students are see the online class. Today's lesson is Unit 1, Lesson 2, The Tale of Homecoming. The Tale of Homecoming. Section 1. Work in pair and discuss the following question. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Who do you identify in the picture? Do you find any connection between the picture and the title of lesson? How? Discuss your pair. Now I am going to section B. Read the story of Bangabandhu's homecoming to answer the question that follow. Bangabandhu, look at, you always look at your book. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was arrested by the Pakistan army immediately after his declaration of independence at the first hour of the 26 March 1971. He was taken to Pakistan as a captive and imprisoned there in a small cell for capital punishment until 7th January 1972. Even a grave was dug in front of his cell, but Mujib was fearless. He knew nothing would stop the Bengalis to gain independence. In fact, his name and independence became synonymous. So the whole world was waiting breathlessly to witness his homecoming. And he had a grand homecoming indeed, narrated by eminent columnist and writer Syed Badrul Awsan. In the evening of 7th January 1972, Bangabandhu left Chaklala Airport is Rawalpindi, from where he would fly to London. 9 months earlier, he was brought to Pakistan as a prisoner with little hope to return, and now he was free to go home. Pakistan, as soon as the PLA aircraft took off, was finally behind him. You will read the next pages. Now you see the blackboard. Some vocabulary. There is some vocabulary. Absence. Absence means non-attendance. Absence means non-attendance. Next, affair. Affair means thing. Thing, anything, affairs. Thing. Arrested. Arrested. Arrested means cash. Arrested means cash. Arrive. Arrive. Arrive means reach. Reach. Arrive means reach. Next, behind. Behind. Behind means at the back. At the back. Behind means at the back. Captive. Captive means prisoner. Captive means prisoner. Next, community. Community. Community means society or state. Society or state. Next, crime. Crime means offense. Crime means offense. Now I am going to section 3. Work in pairs. Write on the blanks space how you would express these word phrases in your own language and then make sentence with them. Declaration of Independence. Capital punishment. Avoid breathlessly. Make their way satisfaction. Emotional affairs. Immense. Task. Poetics. Understand joy. Genocide. You and you make a pair. You and you make a pair and discuss this phrase or word. 2 minutes. Okay. Now I am going to section D. Here I have some question. Try best in your capacity answer this question. What made Bangabandhu so bold while in the prison? What made Bangabandhu so bold while in the prison? Try best in your capacity. I give answer this question. Bangabandhu believed that nothing would above the Bengalis to gain the independence. This belief made him so bold while in this prison. Next question. How did London welcome Bangabandhu? How did London welcome Bangabandhu? London welcomed Bangabandhu warmly. London welcomed Bangabandhu warmly. Next, I am going to section E. Read the following text by the some author that describe Bangabandhu's few more hours of journey towards home. This is your home task. You already complete your home task section E. Okay, thank you very much.